Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. 3y I will put on the left and we have negative 3y. So we have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that negative number 3 next to y. This is for integrating factor. So we put this one going here. And we have e to the power of negative 3s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to integration for the both sides. This one we simplify and we have e to the power of negative s. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one we have y e to the power of negative 3s. This one we have negative e to the power of negative s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.